It was narrated from Abu Hurairah that the Prophet said, "The perfume for men is that whose scent is apparent while its color is hidden. And the perfume for women is that whose color is apparent while its scent is hidden." It was narrated that Aisha said, when the Prophet and, in his narration had said, the Messenger of Allah wanted to enter Iram, he would daub the best perfume that he could find, until I saw it glistening on his head and in his beard, sahih. It was narrated that Abu Sa'id said, the Messenger of Allah said, "The best of perfume is musk." It was narrated that Aisha said, I put perfume on the Messenger of Allah for his exiting Iram, and I put perfume on him for his Iram, perfume which was not like this perfume of yours. She meant that it does not last. Shah. Amatiyah added, the Prophet said, she should not use perfume except when she becomes clean from her menses, whereupon she can use coast. And as far to kinds of incense, Abu Sa'id al-Khudri narrated that the Messenger of Allah said, the best scent is the perfume of musk. Aisha narrated, I put perfume with musk in it on the Messenger of Allah before he assumed Ihram, and on the day of An-Nar before he performed tawaf around the house. Narrated Abu Musa, that the Prophet said, every eye commits adultery, and when the woman uses perfume man she passes by a gathering, then she is like this and that, meaning an adulteress. Narrated Muhammad bin Sirin, one of the sons of Amatiyah died, and when it was the third day she asked for a yellow perfume, and put it over her body, and said, we were forbidden to mourn for more than 3 days except for our husbands.
It was narrated that Aisha said, I used to see the glistening of the perfume at the roots of the hair of the Messenger of Allah when he was in Iran. Sahih.